When will answer this? Who is my biggest female inspiration as an artist? Ready na ba kayo?
Alam ko na try ko yung Dota.
Tsaka ano?
Dota. Pero try ko. Kasi ang bago sa kisulit.
It contains natural citrus extracts from oranges, giving it a fresh citrus scent and none of the usual kerosene smell. And then kerosene. It leaves no lasting odor. You wanna try?
It doesn't!
Okay, so why don't we call... Alright, and you are witnessing this.
40 seconds.
Bring me pinakamaganda na bini. Sige. Ito na guys. Bini to.
And now, okay, tapos na ang kantahan. Tayo sa sayawan.
Okay, may nagsabi, bading po ako. Girl sing.
Do you guys want one? Okay, bye-bye. BRB.
Si Aya ito nahalikan ko. Thank you, Lord.
Advice po sa mga magbe-beach?
Yes!
Yes, you should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned. Kasi I'm burned. And, yes, you should wear sunscreen if you don't want to get burned. Kasi I'm burned. And, bring snacks. And, magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon.
Oy!
Shampoo and sabon.
Oy! Alam mo yung Sheena!
And, magdala kayo ng sariling shampoo and sabon.
Uy, ang ganda ng electric pan nito.
Ang ganda ko, be.
Ay, mo ganda ka naman. Okay lang yun. Din mo na...
Inaw na kasulat, ah!
Go! Tas na.
Hey! I see you see. Oh, wow!
Ibang lyrics, mag-invento ka doon. Kahit wag Korean. English, Tagalog. Kung talagang broadcaster ka, no?
Ano meron?
Hindi nakita yung mukha ko.
Ano?
Parang na nakakasim.
Time-lapse challenge.
I-point nyo. Colette and Maloy? Opo. Ayun. Bakit ano ka, ate? Ay, si Mika. Ano, sino yung parang favorite mong actor? Hallyu actor? Si Ji Chang-wook po. Oh. Kayo? PSG. Ay, payo tayo po. Park Seo-joon. Kaya sa'yo. Sino? Si Lee Jung-soo. Si Pinocchio. Tama ba? Si Pinocchio. Song Joong-ki. Ay, Song yes. Ang lungkot lang na hindi sila nagkatuluyan. Si Sako din po meron, diba? Si Chuana. Watch out, Shirik, what do they do? Alam niyo po kung ano po yun? Ano yun? May I go to the sea?
Pakita mo yun.
So good that I finish it bone to bone.
First question is, bakit hindi mo na dapat tayo umuwi? Hindi mo na dapat tayo umuwi sa bansang ito kasi dito tayo tumayo, dito tayo nanggaling, dito tayo magsisimula at dito pa rin tayo uuwi, Pilipinas!
Ang nakarami namin kayo, ginawa rin ng challenge ito, listadas, and personal social. Yes! Dito kayo sa aming squad. No, don't worry, there will be an extra squad. And then, I'm Steve Axwell. I'm Shemala. And we are the Star Academy Radio. Okay, think of something. 1, 2, 3, prayer. Ring. Chair. Ring. Chair. You do all the quotes. Wait lang. Ring. Chair. Ring. Chair. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Brown bearer. Brown ring bearer. Okay, brown and ring. 1, ready? 1, 2, 3. Broom. Huh? Ting. Broom. Ay, ang galing mo doon. Broom and ting. Okay, hindi ko kaya ito. Broom and ting. Broom and ting. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Marriage. Sa ipis. Sa ipis ako sisigaw, promise.
Thank you so much. 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 Thank you. Thank you.